In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock someone on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up TikTok app. Now, just to demonstrate you how it works, I'm gonna quickly block that user and then I'm gonna show you how we can easily unblock him. To block a user, I'm gonna hit at this arrow and down below we can find block. When we block a person, they won't be able to send us messages, see our posts, or find our profile. Keep in mind that when you block a user, they will not be notified that you blocked them. To continue, I'm gonna hit at block and now it says block user. So guys, the first way to unblock a user is head over to their TikTok profile page, like in that case. And that's where we can easily find that unblock button on which we can tap and that user will become immediately unblocked. However, if you, let's say, do not remember whom you exactly blocked on TikTok, then I'm gonna show you how we can easily find all blocked users in one place and then unblock them. To do that, go to your TikTok profile page and then hit right here at these three lines. In this pop-up, select Settings and Privacy, then go to Privacy and scroll down to the very bottom, where located blocked accounts option, and if we tap on it, it will show us all the users we have blocked on TikTok, and from here we can unblock any user by hitting right here at unblock button next to their profile. And then guys, in the same way we can unblock several users, just keep doing the same steps. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.